Good morning, guys! Last day namin dito. So, mag-check out na kami later on. Nakapack na. Pinako na yun kagabi. So, yan. Most of the stuff there, mga maduming damit. And then, birthday ni Danny Boy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Naliligo. Tapos birthday din ng kambal niya, of course. Kakasend ko lang ng message, hindi pa nag-reply. Yeah. Anyway, pupunta kami sa Sovereign Park. Yung parang gold mine daw, sabi nila. Pupunta kami doon, pero we will check out. Tapos pupunta kami doon. And then, we're hoping na makastop kami sa Red Lake. Nakita namin yung Red Lake, guys, on the way here. And parang sinabi lang ni Pete na, Red Lake. Tapos pating ko, sabi ko, wow, sobrang ganda. Ano siya, Red Lake yung tawag sa kanya kasi yung sand niya, pink talaga yung sand. Because of mga algae na pink yung kulay. So, yun. Sana makapunta kami doon kasi I have been wanting to go. It's like, it's really cool na pink yung lake or red yung lake, diba? Pink siya actually, pink lake. So yeah, we're hoping na makapunta kami doon. We will not have breakfast. I think I will have coffee. I'm not sure. Depende sa oras. Kasi we had a really big dinner last night. Like, it was crazy. Plano sana namin today was to have breakfast and then check out and then go to Sovereign Gold something. And then after... But then, while we were having dinner last night, his mom was like, no, we're not having breakfast tomorrow. I was like, I agree. This is a lot of food. So I would just put a little bit of makeup on. Yeah. I'm just wearing this black top that I got from Target. And then leggings from Target as well. And then I will have my leather jacket over this. I'm not sure if that's gonna keep me warm, but... Oh well. Okay, let's go put some makeup on. Let's go. It's time to leave. Ouch. Hello, birthday boy.
Thank you.
Yeah, 35.
35. Old man.
Old man. For the 27-year-old. So you'll be 28 in October.
Me, 27.
You'll be 27 this year?
Yeah.
Oh, you're only out.
Speaking in the
You are,
market.
yeah. I'm not that old yet. Alright.
And 8 years difference.
8 years?
alright, that's what-
Yeah, it is 8 years.
Is it 8 years from Kerry and Ed?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's 8 years from Kerry and Ed too. Ed's 8 years younger than Kerry.
Yeah. But he acts younger than me, so...
Yeah, he does actually. Do you know
It
what?
balances
I
out.
actually do agree with you on that one. He does.
She doesn't love you anymore, Mum. No. Doesn't want to.
Doesn't want to pick up your call.
She's with Dad. Try Tristan.
When I'm going to tell him.
Hang up. She's not picking up, obviously. Hang up.
Yeah, maybe they're having breakfast somewhere. Maybe she didn't bring her phone at all.
I think she's ignoring me. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you singing old lady. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip
Hooray!
hip. Hooray! Why was she?
Thanks, guys. So glad we went out when I called you.
Not every day's your birthday. What did Eli say? I think it just looked like, wow.
You said Eli's birthday.
Where are you?
We're just like,
Where are we, birthday boy? Oh, is it here?
I think there's a little part of it. We'll go through the front entrance though.
Okay.
Looks like she shrunk as to like
Me?
your top because it's so big your top. Looks like you shrunk in your own.
Oh. Yeah, it's massive. It's a granny top.
Film this place you let people do.
I know. Wait. So that's where we're going. Salinger Cafe. They got local wines, cakes. Is it open, babe?
Yeah.
We're doing tortellini with creamy garlic mushroom and spinach sauce. You look good, babe. I like that top on you. Thank you. Thank you.
Like a kid.
You got iced coffee, right? That's a good one.
Iced chocolate.
Iced chocolate, yeah.
This one.
Coffee there. I just have water. We got the
It's only a
tortellini.
job. You're not on job now.
Blah blah blah. We get the same.
Got everything you need.
Yeah.
I'll get you small cup.
Thank you. Pete's burger looks really good. Yeah, I want burger. Yeah.
And it comes top. You may just want to put it yourself. You know, like.
I'll go seven.
7, alright.
7. What was the deal, Ben? Can you explain?
Deal is, how many cars will overtake Mum while she's driving? I go 9.
I go 7.
Let's count.
We will count.
Do you want to put in Dimbuli?
No.
Dimbula.
No, we drive. We'll be
It's
right.
just on the side.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see it.
Yeah, we'll see it.
We're going to the red lake.
Start slowing down. Can't pull it up like you can yours.
Oh, there!
We can't stop though.
Oh my gosh, man. It's right there.
Who farted?
Oh, it's me again, everyone.
Ooh, that's it, babe. Oh my gosh. It's pink.
Just park in front. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's cool. Oh, you actually can go there.
Yeah, we'll get out.
Yes.
Road time.
Guys, we're walking to the pink lake. We're walking to the pink lake. It looks so cool. I'll show you. It's pink. It's pink. How cool is that? They said it's because of the algae, babe. It makes it. Oh, there's people there taking pictures. Woo! Now they can't really tell that it's pink on camera. Look at this, guys. It's pink. You can't really tell from the camera, but it's really pink. Nice. It's pink.
Hello, old man.
Oh,
Can you see,
Daddy.
where are you? Can you see the lake behind me? Can you see the lake?
we're at the pink lake.
Sorry? We're driving back from Melbourne. Victoria, hello. Thank you. Where are you guys?
It's so cool.
Where to?
I love it. I'm using my phone right now and see it's really pink. For some reason it doesn't show as pink on camera. Yeah. Yeah. I think I've read it somewhere that it's the algae that's making it pink. Ooh. I took some cool photos. Do you want photo? Ah, that was great. It's pink. Yeah, we always say that, but it never happens.
Don't get jealous.
He wants to invite his dad for dinner, but it just never happens. Not this week, babe. I finished late. Finished at 9. I took some good photos. Ah, the one of the vegetables.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
really nice.
the chop suey.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will like that.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
it's easy to do, you know, without much fuss.
Yeah.
I'd do that.
We are home! Home sweet home! Pero alis kami agad-agad. Punta kami sa kambal niya. We will have dinner. Yung tinawagan nila kanina. Sabi na dan, punta daw si mama dyan. Magde-dinner. Tapos in-invite niya din yung sarili niya. So pupunta kami doon. We will have nag-bake ata si yung asawa ng niya, kambal niya. And then we will have pizza as well. So I'll just pee and then we will go. And then I will do a lot of laundry when we come back. So yeah, yun yung plano. Hello! It is Thursday night. Ano na, siguro mga 9:40 na. Yeah, I just wanted to close the vlog. Kasi the last vlog that I did, babe, when we got back here from Ballarat, I forgot to close it. So I'm just gonna maybe talk for a little bit and then close it. And oh, you guys, people have been commenting on that video about the ghost. It was him.
It wasn't me.
It was him. No, it was you, babe. It was him. I was editing the video and nung in-edit ko siya, I was avoiding the clip na nandun si Dan because he was walking back and forth because we were preparing for the trip, diba? He was walking back and forth and he was just in his jogs. So naka-jogs lang siya, guys, and then he was walking back and forth. So like, you know, nung in-edit ko siya, I was like looking closely kasi ayoko na makita niyo siya sa background na naka-jogs lang siya. Dito siya, diba? Dito yun. And, see, so my face looks a bit red here because of the lighting. Kasi yellow yung lighting namin. So, it was Dan's face, not like the shirt. Kasi he was wearing blue shirt and you guys were saying na bakit po red yung suot. I don't think nakita yung suot niya. It was Dan. He was walking back and forth. I was editing that video. So, yeah. Walang multo. Meron ako mga naririnig-rinig noon, but ano naman siya, nawala na siya. And I feeling ko lang talaga si Dan lang yun. And siguro hindi lang din niya napansin na siya pala yung gumagawa nung, like kapag gumigising siya sa umaga, gumagano siya, yung, what do you call that? Hindi naman siya yun. Is it yun? Yeah, parang yung pagising mo sa umaga na parang, hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog nun eh. Hindi ko din maisip yung Bisaya na word. Basta, hindi. Yun is like yawning. Like, ganun. Pero, yung may noise, gumaganon siya every morning. And, yeah, parang siguro sa akin, kasi yung narinig ko noon, parang, woohoo, ganon. Yun, yung narinig ko. Akala ko may bata. Tapos nanaginip pa ako. Nung time na naririnig ko siya araw-araw, I think for straight 3 mornings, naririnig ko siya while nagsha-shower si Dan. And I feel like ngayon parang now na naririnig ko si Dan na gumaganon araw-araw na nandito ako. Like nandito kami dalawa sa bed. Parang feeling ko si Dan talaga yun. Siguro iba lang yung ano niya, tunog niya kapag nandito si Dan. Tapos ginagawa niya yung yun. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung tamang ano. And kapag nandun ako sa kitchen, kasi di ba malayo, tapos siguro may echo, ganun, yung narinig ko, woohoo, ganun. Tapos, again, na naginip ako na merong bata na tumatakbo daw dyan sa hallway, nakakaloka, and, yeah, hindi siya, like, ay-ayang bata, hindi naman siya, like, tsakantig na bata, like, cute lang siya na bata, pero, panaginip lang yun, guys, hindi ko siya nakita in person talaga. Pero weird lang kasi yung panaginip ko na yun, nangyari siya when I was hearing the woohoo, ganun. Pero yeah, wala. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako naniniwala sa mga ganun. Pero kapag kasi sinabi nila, kapag daw hindi ka naniniwala, pinapakita ka daw. Tapos wala naman ako nakikita dito. Yeah, wala din akong nararamdaman na weird, ganun. Okay lang naman. So yeah, yung nasa video, hindi naman yun multo. Ano ko talaga, like, I'm not just saying this para, like, you know, para umalis sila or something. Or, I'm just not saying this para, like, i-deny na meron. Pero si Dan talaga yun, guys. Maniwala kayo sa akin, si Dan talaga yun. Kasi someone commented on my Instagram na yun daw. And then I went back to the video and I saw the comments as well na yung ibang tao sabi nakita daw nila. Nakita ko din naman pero hindi nga yung multo. So yeah, okay lang tayo. Inano ko lang yung basura dito. Papalitan ko yung plastic. Sobrang hectic ng schedule ko kasi I finish at 9 ng gabi. So, sinusundo ako ni Dan. Tapos, pagdating namin dito sa bahay, we're both exhausted. Si Dan kanina, sobrang aga niya umalis. Siguro mga 7:30 siya umalis ng bahay. Tapos, nagtrabaho siya guys hanggang 9. He picked me up at 9 and naka-work clothes pa rin siya kasi galing pa pala siyang office. Sabi ko, kawawa naman si Danny Boy. And late na siya kumain. Ngayon pa lang kami kumain pagdating namin dito. So, we picked up Chinese food. And then, yeah. So, yun. Pero bukas, I start at 10:50. Tapos, I finish at 7:30. Nakipag-swap ako ng shift kasi gusto ko na maka-attend sa dinner. Family dinner. We will be late for sure kasi sila kakain sila mga 6:30. Kakain na sila. Darating ako doon 7:30. Pero we like staying there. Watch footy. And magstay lang doon kasama yung parents niya. So, that's what we will do tomorrow. Dinala ko yung soap galing sa Ballarat. Yung galing sa hotel na sinayhan namin dun. And I'm thinking of using this as beauty sponge cleaner. Kasi yung ginagamit ko noon sa beauty sponge ko is yung beauty blender cleaner talaga. Yung hard soap na round. Nakita ko siya doon, ito. And ito yung ginamit ko na sabon sa body ko when I was there. Kasi hindi ako nagdala ng body wash. Wala akong dinala na kung anik-anik. And nung ginamit ko siya, sabi ko, hala, it reminds me so much of that beauty blender thingy. So, see? Sobrang cute lang niya. Maliit lang siya. See? It smells not bad at all. So, I have 2. I brought 2. And then, dinala ko din ito. Nakakaloka. Dinala ko siya. Hindi ko naman siya magagamit po. Dinala ko siya kasi cute. Scented sanitary bags. So, sobrang liit lang niya, guys. Maliit lang siya. Kapag yung sa tayong mga babae, kapag meron tayong bisita and kailangan natin i-dispose yung mga yun, lalagay natin siya sa maliit na bag na ito and it's scented. It actually smells really good. Really, really fresh. So, sabi ko, dadalhin ko yan kahit na hindi ko naman siya gagamitin. I just find it really cute, this one. Oh, actually, magagamit ko to kapag, you know, when I travel, and kasi kapag nagta-travel ako, especially kapag mga long haul na flights, I bring extra, you know, undergarment. So, ito yung lalagyan ko. Tapos, meron pa siyang tapos scented pa siya. Perfect. Okay, may gamit na ako sa'yo. Lalagay ko siya sa travel. Chorba ko dito. Perfect! Alright, I will just go ahead and do my skincare. And then, yun na yun, guys. Yeah, I just really wanted to close the vlog properly, and then yeah, wanted to update you with the multo thingy as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night, babe. Good night. Mwah.